If you've heard of Inboxdollars, you might be wondering, is this thing real? Or just another online scam? Let's break it down. Inboxdollars is 100% real. It's been around for over 20 years and has paid out tens of millions to users. You earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, reading emails, and doing simple tasks. When you hit the minimum payout, which is $30, you can cash out via PayPal or check. But here's the truth. You're not getting rich. Most people say earnings are slow, like a few bucks a week unless you spend a lot of time on it. Also, they send daily emails with offers, which some people find annoying. So, should you sign up? If you're looking for an easy, low-effort way to make a few extra bucks in your free time, yes, go for it. But if you're trying to replace your income or make fast money, you'll need something else. Let me know if you use Inboxdollars. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.